In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare and pass your Salesforce Admin Exam. We'll keep this simple, focused, and practical, starting with the best place to learn, Salesforce Trailhead. Trailhead is Salesforce's free learning platform packed with guided modules, hands-on projects, and quizzes that mirror real admin tasks. Head over to Trailhead and make sure you're signed in so your progress and badges are saved as you learn. Once you're there, use the search bar and look for Admin Beginner. This is a curated learning path designed for new and aspiring administrators. It bundles the most important fundamentals into a single journey, so you don't have to guess what to study first. When you find the Admin Beginner Trail, click into it to see the full list of modules, estimated times, and the hands-on challenges you'll complete along the way. Start learning and work through the Admin Trail courses from top to bottom. Take your time with each module. Don't just read. Complete the quizzes and the practical challenges. As you go, connect each topic to exam objectives like data modeling, user management, security and access, automation, and reporting. Keep a simple note stock with key terms, gotchas, and any errors you fixed during the labs. If a concept doesn't stick, bookmark the module and return to it later. Repetition is your friend here. After you've built a solid foundation, go into Salesforce Setup and practice your knowledge in the user's settings. Hands-on repetition is what turns concepts into instincts. Explore creating and deactivating users, adjusting profiles and permission sets, assigning roles, updating login and password policies, and reviewing login history. If you're learning on Trailhead, use your Trailhead playground so you can experiment safely without affecting a real org. Try small scenarios like granting access to an object without over-permissioning or troubleshooting why a user can't see a record. The more real tasks you simulate, the more confident you'll be on exam day. When you're consistently comfortable, apply for certification. Go to the official Salesforce certification site, choose the Salesforce Administrator certification, and set your exam date. Pick a date that gives you a clear study runway and decide whether you'll test online or at a testing center. Before you finalize, review the exam guide, skim sample questions, and map any weak areas back to specific Trailhead modules. If you're testing online, run the system check ahead of time. If in person, plan your travel and bring valid ID. Stick to this path, keep practicing, and you'll be ready to pass your Salesforce Admin Exam. You've got this.